Welcome to our video on forms of sustainable technology. In this video, we will explore the various technological solutions that promote sustainability and reduce our impact on the environment. Renewable energy sources. Firstly, let's talk about solar energy. Solar panels, which convert sunlight into electricity, have become increasingly popular in recent years. They are a clean and renewable source of energy and can be installed on homes and businesses alike. Next, wind energy. Wind turbines generate electricity by harnessing the power of the wind. They are often installed in areas with high wind speeds, such as near coastlines or on hills. Hydroelectric power is generated by the movement of water, such as in dams or river currents. It is a reliable and long-lasting source of energy and is widely used across the world. Finally, geothermal energy is generated by the heat of the Earth's core and can be used for both heating and electricity generation. These are just a few examples of renewable energy sources that we can use to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change. By embracing renewable energy, we can create a cleaner and more sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about renewable energy and other important topics. Sustainable transportation. Firstly, let's talk about electric vehicles. EV produce no emissions, which makes them a great alternative to gas-powered vehicles. They're also quieter, and with advances in battery technology, their range is increasing. Additionally, public transportation systems such as buses and trains can also be powered by electricity, reducing carbon emissions even further. Another sustainable transportation option is biking or walking. Not only is this an eco-friendly mode of transportation, but it's also a great way to stay active and improve your health. Many cities are creating bike lanes and pedestrian-friendly zones to make it easier for people to choose these options. Lastly, there's carpooling and ride-sharing. These options reduce the number of cars on the road and cut down on emissions. Plus, carpooling with coworkers or friends can be a great way to save money on gas and parking. Sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is an approach to farming that focuses on producing food while also minimizing harm to the environment. This includes practices such as reducing the use of pesticides and fertilizers, conserving water, and preserving soil health. By implementing these practices, farmers can reduce greenhouse gas emissions, protect biodiversity, and ensure the longevity of their land for future generations. One key aspect of sustainable agriculture is crop rotation, where farmers alternate crops to prevent soil depletion and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Another approach is agroforestry, where trees are planted alongside crops to improve soil health and provide additional benefits such as carbon sequestration. Additionally, sustainable agriculture emphasizes local food systems and reducing the carbon footprint of transportation. Farmers markets, community-supported agriculture CSA programs, and farm-to-table restaurants all support sustainable agriculture practices. Green building design. Green building design involves creating structures that use natural resources efficiently, reduce waste, and promote a healthy indoor environment. This can be achieved through various techniques such as using sustainable materials, incorporating energy-efficient technologies, and implementing water conservation strategies. The benefits of green building design are numerous. Not only do they reduce energy consumption and lower carbon emissions, but they also promote healthier living and working environments. Green buildings also have a positive impact on the economy, creating jobs and reducing operating costs over time. Sustainable recycling and waste reduction. Introduction. Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the importance of sustainable recycling and waste reduction. Recycling and waste reduction are vital for our planet's health. As our population grows, so does our consumption, and with it, the amount of waste we generate. Sustainable recycling is a process that converts waste materials into new products, thus reducing the need for virgin resources. We can recycle many things like paper, plastic, glass, and even electronic waste. Reducing waste is also an important aspect of sustainability. By reusing items, we can reduce our need to buy new things, and in turn, reduce the amount of waste we generate. Some easy ways to reduce waste include using reusable water bottles and shopping bags, composting food scraps, and buying products with minimal packaging. Sustainable packaging. Packaging plays a crucial role in our daily lives, but it also has a significant impact on the environment. Sustainable packaging is designed to reduce waste, use fewer resources, and minimize the environmental impact of the packaging process. It is made from eco-friendly materials that can be recycled or biodegraded, reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Sustainable packaging can come in many forms, such as biodegradable plastics, recycled materials, and plant-based materials. Companies are increasingly adopting sustainable packaging practices to reduce their environmental footprint and meet consumer demands for more eco-friendly products. Sustainable water conservation. Water is a precious resource, and with growing population and climate change, it's more important than ever to conserve it. Sustainable water conservation involves using water in a way that doesn't waste or deplete it. This can be done in a number of ways, such as fixing leaky faucets, using low-flow shower heads and toilets, and collecting rainwater for use in gardens and landscaping. In addition, we can reduce water usage by being mindful of our daily habits, such as turning off the tap while brushing teeth and only running full loads of laundry and dishes. By adopting these practices, we can ensure that we have enough clean water for generations to come while reducing our impact on the environment. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the different forms of sustainable technology and their importance for a greener future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on sustainability and technology.